Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here sharing my November plan with me. Okay, so I have to be honest with you all. I am hanging on by a little teensy tiny thread at the moment. So if I sound a little nuts, that's why. So these monthly plan with me's are nice because at least this year, every single plan with me has been pretty much the same. Don't mind the fact that I don't have the footage from putting all of the washi tape down. It's beautiful. Look, washi tape, yay. So we're just going to act like everything's fine. I promise. But these monthly plan with me's are pretty nice because I get to kind of give life updates because pretty much every single month is the same. So yeah, so I am currently 35, almost 36 weeks pregnant. So yes, I am barely hanging on. Here's how October is going, by the way, in case you were wondering. Oh, but man, it has been a really long month. Good news, our garage got built. It took me basically crying to a whole bunch of people that like this needs to get up before I deliver my son. So, but you know what? That's fine. I don't mind guilt tripping because now I have a garage. Everything is moved in from the gym that was inside the house to now the garage. So that's really nice. We still have a lot of improvements to make to the garage. We have to insulate. We have to put electricity in. We have to do the drywall, all that kind of stuff. But for now, the gym is there. It is actually beautiful weather right now, so it kind of doesn't matter that there's no electricity. It will matter soon. But we're tackling one thing at a time. So this week I have taken off of work to nest in the nursery because I finally have a nursery to nest in. So that's really nice. Although I have to tell you all, I do not, 10 out of 10 do not recommend waiting until you are 35 weeks pregnant to nest in your nursery. Maybe it's easier when the baby gets there and like they're napping a bunch. Maybe I should have just waited. But for some reason, I thought it would be a grand old idea to nest now. And let me tell you, I am driving myself crazy. So, but I mean, it's half done. I have 2 dressers built. The crib is semi-built, minus putting in the bottom for the mattress, putting in the mattress. But we've had a whole lot of other issues pop up, so it's making things really, really difficult to finish up. For example, I would love to start washing the baby's clothes. However, I can't because our septic system backed up and now our washer and dryer doesn't work and I have to have a technician come out in November to fix it. And so all these things are kind of why this video is so late. So I apologize because normally I would have had this up back on like, I don't know, the 15th. But yeah, things are going swimmingly here. It's just a lot of things happening at once. So it does get very exhausting, overwhelming. Baby and I are doing really, really well though. So other than the whole overwhelming thing, we've scheduled out all the rest of our appointments until the due date, which was a big, I don't know, just, it was a big thing to do that. I almost cried because these days everything makes me cry. It's fine. Everything's fine. Anyways, so that's basically how things are going right now. Is everything kind of feels like a cluster, but at the same time everything is still moving forward. So I don't feel as absolutely terrified as I think I would if things weren't moving forward. Like if we didn't have the garage built right now, I would be losing my ever-loving mind. But it is built. We are moving forward. Even if it's slowly, we are still moving forward. So that's kind of my primary thing right now. In other news, yet another thing is having issues. Um, so I can't get into my website at the moment, and I have lost all ability to care at the moment. So if you wonder why, if you are getting digital subscriptions, that is a little outdated, it is because your girl is losing it. It is essentially what's happening right now. So yeah, I can't log into the website. It's fine. I just have to get on a support team call with Shopify, but again, there are so many other things going on that it feels very overwhelming to do that. And I'm just hoping that everyone is so nice and just don't look at the website right now. I'll work on it. And your digital subscriptions will still come as they come. And in other news, I am trying to finish the 2025, all the kits before I give birth. So be on the lookout for that too. Okay, thank you so much for joining, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.